don't always need to be the best player on court. You don't need to be the best, the fastest, the fittest in your team, the best at maths or science to be a great leader. Being a great leader is actually leading yourself. It's by living your own values and doing what's best for other people and looking after other people. And that's the thing I enjoyed most about being captain. It wasn't about running the team out. It wasn't about doing the coin toss. It was actually helping the others around me be the best versions of themselves. I got really excited when I got to see a young player debut because I remember what it was like for me at their age and how the older girls in the team really supported and looked after me and made it a positive experience for me. And I wanted to make sure that it was the same for them. So maybe one day when they get to my stage, they can turn around and say, oh man, Caitlin made me feel so welcome when I first started playing, or I was really nervous, but she sat down with me and we got a coffee before the game and had a chat, and I felt so much better. So for me, I guess a lot of positives I took out of leading was helping other people, and a lot of joy I got was actually seeing other people succeed, even at times if it meant I was sitting on the sideline.